provides a tight seal to keep your vehicle's fuel tank closed. A sealed fuel tank reduces vapor emissions, which helps the environment. Prevents lost fuel in order to help reduce your trips to the gas station. GM recommended replacement part for your GM vehicle's original factory component. Offering the quality, reliability, and durability of GMOE. The ACDelco GM Original Equipment Regular Fuel Cap is a threaded cap that seals your vehicle's fuel tank filler, and is a GM recommended replacement for your vehicle's original component. The fuel cap has a rubber gasket that provides a liquid-tight seal to keep fuel in and water and dirt out. The cap may have a check valve that lets air in or out depending on the air pressure inside the tank. This original equipment regular fuel cap has been manufactured to fit your GM vehicle, providing the same performance, durability, and service life you expect from General Motors. Top reviews from the United States. Exact replacement. Amazon indicated that this would not fit my 2012 Silverado. It looked right to me from the photo provided, so I took a chance. This is exact original equipment.